Ooh, it's bigger.
Okay, I tell you.
It's a big needle. Okay. Let's sit right here.
This better be recording this time.
I know. Ooh. My husband's gonna die. Look at this. This is fun.
It
Fold
is
it down that
fun.
way. Look, there's all that in there.
I know.
OMG. Let's see. It's like the never-ending cyst,
I know.
Britta.
It's terrible, and it keeps on coming back. And I had that friggin' surgery.
It didn't work very well, did it?
No. He said, okay, 30% of people get it back. Well, guess what? I guess I'm the 30.
It feels like there's still
I
some in
even
there.
think there's like 2.
Do you want? I don't want to stick you again, but it feels like there's still some in there. You feel it down there? Maybe not. It's deep. See, look how puffy it is right there.
I know.
Think I should go deeper with a needle, or?
I don't care.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna do the same hole. Come on.
I guess not.
Hey, there's something in there, seriously. I can feel that. Feel right there. You can feel the...
Oh, I only got one hand.
Okay. That's bothering me that I can't get that out right there, but... Look how hard I'm mashing. Okay. You know I'm going to keep messing with it because I can't... Okay.